Now once you've decided what's missing, so what's holding up progress, what's holding up the solution to this problem, you have to decide how are you going to go about investigating this or doing something about it. There are a large number of research methods and problem-solving methods available. At this level of subject, we're not too concerned about a great long list of them or exploring each of them in detail. We'll just deal with 4 of them because it's 4 broad categories. Now broadly, you're missing some information and you need to go and find out that information. So that's an investigation. Whether you do that through a literature search or interviews or surveys, there's some way of going and gathering more information about the problem. The second way is design. So you have the information, but you actually need to come up with a design, to invent something or create something that wasn't there before. So this is design, and there are established methods of doing some sort of design, broadly. If you actually have a design, but the result of the design is not yet known, then that becomes a development problem. So we have the design, we need to produce what the design is about. And that, particularly with software, for example, is simply a matter of developing the software, and you can do that. The fourth one that you might be presented with is there is a known solution to this problem, but that solution is not available for these specific circumstances. So you're being asked to actually apply that particular solution, that methodology or whatever it is, to this particular circumstance and find out what the answer is. And that, for want of a better term, are called problem solving. So they are the 4 broad categories of approaches for responding to problems in this particular circumstance. Now, most of the things you're likely to be doing and will involve some degree of all 4 of them. That's because usually in almost any of them, you need to find out some information, you need to design what it is you're going to do, you need to develop something, and you need to apply that and solve the problem, produce the answer. Okay, we'll acknowledge that, and then I'll say that most problems are more one than the others. For most times, it's one of these that dominates. And that matters because you're going to have to pay attention to that particular method and its validity concerns, which we'll deal with next.